Hey everyone, welcome back to Fred's Garage. Thanks for coming. Well, if you clicked on this video today, you're looking for a truck rack. But you don't really want to spend a crazy amount of money on the name brand truck rack. Well, I have a really great truck rack for you today to show you. It's made by my friends at Tundra. So this Tundra universal bed rack has all the features of the name brand, but comes in at 1/3 the price. So let's take a quick look at it and see if you like it. So if you own a Ford F-150, a Chevrolet Silverado, GMC Sierra, Dodge Ram, or even a Ford Ranger, this truck rack is perfect for you. And if you don't own one of those trucks, Tundra makes it for just about every truck on the market today. So what makes this truck rack so perfect? First off, it's aluminum powder coated with stainless steel fasteners, so there's going to be no rusting. It's going to last for a very long time, okay? And being that it's aluminum, it's half the weight of a steel one. So that's a big bonus for everyone. Also, unlike the major name brand competitor, this rack comes with the side supports for added strength, plus the C channel, which helps you add whatever accessories you'd like to add. Simple as that. Alright, so let's talk about how strong the universal truck rack is. This truck rack can hold 600 pounds of static load. That means that when you're parked in a level area, you can have 600 pounds up here. So you can have your rooftop tents. You can have the people and the supplies that go in that rooftop tent, knowing that you're nice and safe and protected. 400-pound dynamic weight limit, which means that you can carry 400 pounds while you're driving. You can have your rooftop tents, you can have your kayaks, you can have whatever you can put up there that's 400 pounds and secure it safely and know you're going to get to your destination. Or something real long that you need to put on that roof rack. Well, since it's adjustable to 25 inches, you can get it up over the cab. You need to go to the big box store, pick up 400 pounds worth of lumber. Hey, no problem. The Tundra truck bed rack can handle it with no problem. So let's talk adjustability. It doesn't get any easier with these knobs. All you have to do is loosen them and then just pull them out. Then you can adjust the top as high as low as you'd like. They go from 19 to 25 inches. There's 4 different slots, so you have 4 different positions to put them in. With any tools, it's very easy to raise and lower this rack. So that's enough of me talking. Let me take you in and give you a close-up of this rack so you can take a look at it yourself and see if it works for you. So it has these nice tie-down points on the ends, powder-coated aluminum, T-slots, adjustable. Throw your sailboat right on top. Enjoy a nice day on the ocean. So the question is, why would you want to spend at least twice as much for a similar rack when you can buy this rack and then put that money towards something you want to carry on the rack, right? So put the money on the rack instead of in the rack. So anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Leave a comment, hit the notification button, and subscribe. And you guys all have a great day. See you soon.